नेम इज तेजस एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल सेल्फ स्टडी विद तेजस। सो आज हम सीखने वाले हैं आईओ ग्रेड 5 का चैप्टर नंबर 3 फ्रैक्शंस एंड डेसिमल्स का पार्ट 1। तो वीडियो के अंत तक जरूर बने रहिएगा और अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ शेडेड फ्रैक्शंस of the given figure? So here out of 10 3 are shaded and here 1 2 3 are shaded out of 8. Yes, so 8 are out of 8 3 are shaded means what we will do here is first we will write here 3 by 10 and plus 3 by 8. So now what is the LCM of 10 and 8? It is 40. So 10 4 is 40 and 8 5 is 40. So is equal to 3 4 is 12 and 10 4 is 40 plus 3 5 is 15 and 8 5 is 40. So our answer will be 15 plus 12. So 15 plus 10 is 25. And 25 plus 2 is equal to 27. Means our answer is 27 by 40. So now, means A option is the correct answer. Now, second question. In the product of 27.45 and 5, find the place value of digit 2. So the product of 27.45 and 5 is 137.25. Yes. And 137.25. So the place value of 2 will be 0.20. Correct. So means B option is the correct answer. Now third question. Priya distributed rupees 37.44 among her 6 friends. If she distribute 25.68 to her 5 friends, then how much money did she give to her 6th friend? So what we will do is, here first 37.44 which was her total amount and subtracted by 25 rupees which she distributed to her 5 friends. So 25.68 and now we have to subtract it. So now 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8. So 14 minus 10 is 4 and 4 plus 2 will be 6 and now this 4 will become 3, 3 will become 13, 13 minus 6 is 7 and we will give a decimal dot and now this 7 will become 6 and 6 minus 5 is 1 and now 3 minus 2 will be 1 means 11.76 means she gave 11.76 rupees to her 6th friend. So A option is the correct answer. Now what is 6050.287 rounded off to nearest tenths? So tenths means it will be on this side. So here it is given 287. So what will be if we rounded off it near to tenths? So it will be 290 and we can cut the 0. So it will be 29. So 6050.29 is our correct answer. Now, which of the following decimals are arranged in an ascending order? So, A 0.5 and 0.42 and 0.382. So, these are in descending order. So, this is incorrect. Now, B 11.001, then 11.1 and then 11.21. So, this is correct. 001 means it is smallest one and then 11.1 it is bigger than that and 11.21 is the biggest. So means B option is the correct answer. Now on sports day, Nitin jumped 4 by 12 feet and Anil jumped 3 by 6 feet. How much farther did Anil jump than did Nitin jump than Anil? So for this first he jumped 4 by 12. So we will convert it into improper fraction. So 12 4 is 48 and 48 plus 10 is 58 and here it is 7. So 58 minus 3 that is 55. So 55 by 12. So I will write here 55 by 12 and 3 1 by 6. So 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 1 19. So here it will be plus 19 by 6. So now 6 into 2 is 12. So we will do into 2 on both the sides. So 19 2 ja is 38 and 6 2 ja is 12. And now we will subtract it. So 55 by 12 minus 38 by 12. So here first 5 minus 8 cannot be done. So we will do 15 minus 8. So 15 minus 10 is 5 and plus 2, that is 7. So we will write here 7 and this 5 will become 4 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So it becomes 17 by 12. So now we will convert it into improper fraction. So we will divide 12 by 17. 12 by 17. So now what we will do? 12 1 ja is 12 and it leaves the remainder 5. So 1 will be our whole number and 12 will be our denominator and 5 will be our numerator. So 1 5 by 12. So means C 1 by 12 feet is the correct answer. Question number 7. The sum of 5 tens and 20 hundreds and 40 tens and 9 tens is. So 5 tens and 20 hundreds means 50.2 and 40 tens and 9 tenths means 400.9. So we will first write here 400.9 and we have to find the sum. So plus 50.2. So now we will add it. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So we will write and give the decimal dot and here 1. So we will write here 1 as it is. 5 plus 0 is 5 and 4 will come as it is because there is nothing to add or subtract. So 451.1. So D is our correct answer. Now next question. Mary bought a pizza. She gave 1/8 of its pizza to each of her 5 children. What fraction of the pizza is left with her? So she gave 1/8 of the pizza to each of her 5 children. So means 5/8 of the pizza she gave to her children, and out of 8 parts, if we subtract 5 parts, so 3 by 8. So means 8 3 by 8 is our correct answer. Now 9th question. What is the value of 25.23 plus 425.68 when rounded off to the nearest tens? So 23 means it will become 20. So 825.20. So we will cut the 0 and only write 825.2 and 425.68 will become 425.17. So 425.70. So we will cut the 0 and write only 7. Now we will add it. So 7 plus 2 will become 9. We will give the decimal dot. 5 plus 5 is 10. We will write 0. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 5 and 8 plus 4 is 12. So 1250.9. So means our C option is the correct answer. Now 10th question. Find the value of x. So x divided by 5 is equal to 1.25 and then 1.25 multiplied by 6 is equal to 7.5 and 7.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 10. So means what we have to do is go in reverse. So answer is there. So now we have to just we have to multiply 1.25 into 5 because here it is divide by 5, so it will become multiply by 5. So 1.25 multiplied by 5 will be 6.25, means 6.25 was the value of x. Now 11th question, what fraction of the given figure is shaded? So here out of it there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Out of 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 16, 8 are shaded, means half. So A, 1 by 2 is our correct answer. Now 12th question, which of the following shows the equivalent fraction of 4 by 7? So A is 8 by 12. So this is wrong because in 4th table 8 comes, but in 7th table 12 does not come. Means this is the incorrect ones. And B, 12 by 21. So 4 3 are 12, 7 3 are 21. So it is a equivalent fraction of 4 by 7. Means B is the correct answer. Now 13th question. How many of the shapes of the given figure must be shaded so that 2 by 5 of this figure is unshaded? So first we need to count how many hexagons are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So 25 and means we need to shade 3 by 5. So we should 3 5 is 15. So means C15 is our correct answer. 13th question. I think of a decimal number after I have subtracted 2.9 from it. I multiplied the result by 3 and then added 0.15 and get 10.5. What is the decimal number I am thinking of? So first we are starting from 10.5 and he has subtracted 0.15. So here 10.5 and here he has added, so it will become subtracted. So minus 0.15. So here is nothing, means it will be 0. And now this 0 will become 10, 10 minus 5 will be 5, 5 will become 4, 4 minus 1 will become 3 and decimal dot, and then here 0 will be 0 and 1. So 10.35 and she had divided the multiplied the result by 3, so it will become divided opposite. So means the answer will be 3.45 and he had subtracted 2.9 from it, so we will add 2.9. So 3.45 plus 2.9 and there is nothing, means 0, and 5 plus 0 5, 9 plus 4 is 13 and 6. So 6.35 and 6.35 is not given here, means D, none of this is our correct answer. Now 15th question, what must be added to 2 by 5 to give 3 by 10? First we need to convert all the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So this 2 by 5 will become 12 by 5 and 3 by 10 will become 33 by 10. So now what we have to do is this 12 by 5 plus, we don't know the value, so we will write here x is equal to 33 by 10 and x is equal to 33 by 10 minus 12 by 5. So if we have to make the denominators equal, we need to multiply on both the sides by 2. It will become 24 by 10. So what it means? 33 3 minus 24 by 10, which is equal to 9 by 10, means we have to add 9 by 10, means A option is the correct answer. So 16th question, which of the following fractions are in order from the least to the greatest? So here 2, 3 and 6 are the denominators, and we have to find the LCM of this. So it will be 6. So 2 into 3 is 6. So means it will become 3 by 6, and here it is 2 by 3. So 3 into 2 is 6. So 2 into 2 will be 4 by 6, and here 2 by 6 will be as it is. So 2 by 6. Now after that, here B, which is 1 by 2, 2 by 6 and 2 by 3. So the LCM is common, which is 6. So 2 3 ja will be 6. So 2 3 ja is 6, means 3 by 6, and here it is 2 by 6, which will be as it is, and 2 by 3. So 3 2 ja is 6. So means it will be 4 by 6. So this is also not order to least to the greatest. So means these both are incorrect. Now C option, 2 by 6, 2 by 3 and 1 by 2. So the LCM is common, which is 6. Now means 2 by 6 will be common, 2 by 6, and now 2 by 3, which will become 4 by 6, and here 1 by 2. So 2 3 ja is 6, means it will become 3 by 6, and this is also not order, means this is also incorrect. And now so 2 by 6 first, 2 by 6, now 1 by 2. So 2 into 3 is 6, so means it will become 3 by 6, and this 3 into 2 means it will become 4 by 6. So this is in order to least to the greatest. So means D option is our correct answer. So 17th question, what is the missing value in the given mathematical statement? So 0.25 into 12 is equal to 0.25 into 3 plus 0.25 into 3 plus 0.25 into x. So first we will take 0.25 as common, and now what is remaining? 0.25 into 12 and is equal to 0.25, and in bracket 3 plus 3 plus x. So now we will cut this 0.25, and now what is remaining? 12 and 3 plus 3 plus x. So here 12 minus 3 plus 3 is 6. So 12 minus 6 will be 6, means C, 6 is our correct answer. 18th question, find the missing value. 2.25 divided by 9 plus 1 by 8 minus in bracket 6.5 into 0.2 is equal to dash into 1 by 4. So let the missing number be x, and now 2.25 divided by 9, 2.25 divided by 9 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 6.5 into 0.2 is equal to x multiplied by 1 by 4. So means the correct answer will be B1. So B1 is the correct answer. Now 19th question, divide 31.64 by the difference of 98 tenths and 580 hundredths. So 98 tenths means 9.8 and 580 hundredths, which means 5.8. So if you subtract them, we get 4.0. So means we have to divide 31.64 by 4. So 31.64 divided by 4 is 7.91. So A is the correct answer. Now 20th question, which of the following options is correct? So A, 1.3749 is smaller than 1.0399. So this is incorrect because here it is 3 and here it is 0. Means this is bigger than this, but here it is given this is smaller than this. So means this is incorrect. Now B1, 1.7908 is smaller than 1.879. So this is correct. Never matters, here it is no 0. I can also add 0 here. And what why I said this one is bigger, because here it is 7 and here it is 8. So means B is the correct answer. Now everyday mathematics question number 21. Monica takes 1/6 hour to walk to the playground and 1/3 hour to walk from the playground to the school. How much time does it take her to walk to the playground and then to the school? So this is very easy. Here in 3 table 6 comes, so we can directly multiply it by 2. So 2 by 6 we get 2 by 6 and 1 by 6 become 3 by 6. Means 1 by 2 means half hour. Now 22nd question. Vinny packed 3/4 of sugar into 42 bags. Find the total weight of sugar Vinny packed. So for the answer we need to multiply 3/4 into 42, which is 315, and if we decimal will be there, so means the answer is 31.5. So C is our correct answer. Now 23rd question. In a fair, Megha and Meena spent rupees 95 together, and Meena and Tia spent rupees 216 together. If Meena spent 1/5 of what Tia spent, then how much did Megha spend? So means Megha plus Meena is equal to 95, and Meena and Tia is equal to 216. So means Meena is equal to 1/5 of Tia and 1/5 of Tia is equal to 216. So means third question. In a fair, Megha and Meena spent rupees 95 together. Meena and Tia spent rupees 216 together. If Meena spent 1/5 of what Tia spent, then how much did Megha spend? So here Megha plus Meena is equal to 95, and Meena plus Tia is equal to 216. Means Meena is equal to 1/5 of what Tia spent. So we will write 1/5 of Tia. So now means 1/5 of Tia, 1/5 of Tia plus Tia is equal to 216, and in bracket 1/5 plus 1 bracket close, Tia is equal to 216, and 6/5 Tia is equal to 216, because here 5 plus 1 will become 6, and then here, so means we got 216, and means Tia is equal to 216 into 5 by 6, because we are doing multiplication, so it will be reciprocal. And now, so we will just cut it. This 2 will become 36, and this will be it. So we have got 36 means Tia is equal to 180 and Megha is equal to 216 minus 180 which is equal to 36. Now means Megha is equal to 95 minus 36 which is equal to 59. Means here A rupees 59 is our correct answer. Now Priya have to multiply 18.75 by 7. Instead she multiply 1.875 by 7. What is the difference between the two answers? So the answer of this question is 131. So here the answer is 131.25. So we will write here 131.25. So in this question there are after decimal there are two numbers. So the correct answer is this, but Priya multiplied with the wrong decimal position, and so here are 3 means the answer this one will also come on this side, so means it will be like this. And now they have asked the difference between the two answers. So now we have to do here. So 131.25 and here 13.125. So here is nothing, means it will be 0 and then subtraction. So 0 will become 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, then this 5 will become 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, and this 2 will become 1 and then 0. And then 1 will become again 11, 8, then 3 will become 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 and is 1 as it is. So 118.025 means our B option is the correct answer. Now 25th question. Mansi practices on her guitar 7.5 hours a week. If she practices 1/2 hours each day, then how many days does she practice each week? So if we do the multiplication, 1/2 into 5 will be 7/2. So means she practices 5 days, means the option is our correct answer. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. थैंक यू.